Counsel, your response to the forensic evidence?
My lord, I need time to understand this report.
You know the law, so what happened in there?
I'd understand the evidence.
Cases aren't won by arguments alone anymore. They're won by evidence.
Under India's new criminal laws, forensic evidence is mandatory in serious offences. A lawyer who understands the report asks better questions and builds a stronger case.
Counsel, your submissions on the forensic report?
Yes, my lord. The chain of custody was not maintained. The method adopted by the prosecution is not approved. The examination was not per prescribed norms.
Today, every lawyer needs to understand forensic science.